Okay, we're doing a lighthouse this time. Okay, if you can't finish in one class, you certainly can do a second class. The rock is what we kind of going to learn this this class. So for the rock, you first you group it, right? You group it this, so this the group of rock. That's a group of rock. That's a group of rock. So with each group of rock, see that's group, that's a group, that's a group. They have a lighter side of a rock and darker side of a rock. See that? That makes the rock three-dimensional, right? So our rock is solid. So they have a darker side and lighter side. And see this, the whole thing's light because it kind of have a road here. Then it's a rock that's in the shady spot. Because the light is from here, right? And for the small rock, it's the same thing. Look, the darker side and the lighter side. And you can tell the difference between these two. I get detail to detail. This I added more here and more here, add more detail in the last step. And reflection in the water. Make sure leave some white for the form around the rock. And then this, shadow. I think you're going to have fun. You have to just remember to shade rock solid, three-dimensional, so you have a darker side and lighter side. See that's a small rock too, right? So that have a lighter side and darker side. Even the smaller part, they have a whole part, and the whole part they are. So this is a basic shape is like this, right? I'm talking about this one. Then there's a totally is a darker side and lighter side like this. But we are not drawing something like man-made. It's a nature, so they have irregular stuff. So they become, so if they have like a darker side like this, but you have to break up because the nature, right? They're not all the same. So you kind of have to blocks, make some parts irregular, but still the whole thing is still in the darker side. It is, irregular, not a solid break, right? So the they can be like bumpy, the bumpy. They goes down, up, down, up, down, like this kind of rock, kind of like that, right? Up is light, down is dark, up, down, and like that. Same thing, see, dark, light, light, dark, like that, bumpy. Okay, hope you enjoy it.